and again, you haven't had a chance to vet this in particular, but I know that in a previous pretrial hearing, I think it was late last month, prosecutors did say they had FBI surveillance video from a plane that was flying around during the protest. And I guess there was some question as to whether Rittenhouse initially was chasing or following. I think they said chasing, but I'd be surprised if Rittenhouse was running after Rosenbaum.
And of course, obviously, as you recognize, that's a characterization of the evidence, right?
Exactly.
But in any case, yes, they mentioned that FBI, I don't know if it was a drone video or what it might have been, but that's the first I've ever heard of it, and I've still not seen it. Have you seen that video?
No, I haven't seen it.
Which makes me extremely suspicious that it would suddenly, because it was, obviously the video was created the night of the events. It's a recording of the events that occurred that night. So it's been in existence since this happened. And now, 4 weeks before the trial is to begin, suddenly we hear about this new video that none of us have seen and none of us can make an independent evaluation of. You know, it's not uncommon, especially for, frankly, prosecutors who find themselves in rather desperate straits, to characterize a piece of evidence as purportedly showing something that when we finally see it doesn't appear to show that at all. I expect that'll be the case here, but I have not seen the video, so I certainly couldn't.
No, neither have I. And again, as I think you wrote in your analysis, what really matters is what was happening in the seconds or maybe minute before the shooting, maybe even not a minute, because things switched. And at that point, video does show the first guy that was killed. He was the one chasing Rittenhouse.